Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, football fans. In this video, I will explain how to easily get the popular gritty dance emote in Ultimate Football. This iconic celebration is a fantastic way to show off your style after a big play. To begin your journey, the very first step is to make sure you are a member of the official Ultimate Football Discord server. This is where all the magic starts, so head over there and get connected. Now that you are successfully part of the Ultimate Football Discord community, your next move is to find the server subscription option. This is usually quite visible and can be found towards the bottom of your screen within the Discord application. Take a moment to look for it, as this is your gateway to unlocking exclusive content, including the Griddy emote itself. To finally get your hands on the Griddy emote, you will need to purchase the Diamond subscription tier. This premium access comes with a monthly cost of $9.99. If you are attempting this on a mobile device, it is highly recommended to switch to a personal computer or use a web browser for a smoother transaction experience. This ensures your purchase goes through without any hitches. Congratulations! Once your Diamond subscription is active and confirmed, the Griddy emote will automatically become available for you to use within Ultimate Football. You can now proudly perform this iconic and energetic dance to celebrate every single touchdown and impressive play you make on the field. Get ready to show off your moves and add some extra flair to your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.